Omorai bw'ekiombe ki'abakora emirimo COTU Francis Atwoli boigo rituko ria rero niganyara koba kagukwanera igoro y'oborendi ase abange ase ateba buna omoroberio bo NSSF no bwente gokorerwa amaonchorerio ase eng'encho abantu baritayire batebangeti buya gose batachiti konyora eng'eria ekero batari ase emiremo eyo nigo eranyare koba gekobutora gose gegokei amatuko abo yokomenya ase ense eye koreng'anagwa buna nigo obogima borabo bokong'u ase ensemo yabo.
Indeed, these are efforts essentially for preventing poverty and inequality as well as addressing current challenges, in particularly those facing old age, like where I'm going, because I'm one and part of Kenya's senior citizens. Your Excellency, if you don't have hope when you are retiring or when you are leaving your employment, or you are having hope against hope, since you didn't have anything in place to lay your hands on, no social protection, you can hardly take 3 months living. The next place of where you will end up is in the grave. I want to thank you, Your Excellency. In your inaugural speech, you included issues related to social protection of Kenyans.